Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily leave a paid community in Skool. So first, you may want to head over to skool.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on this icon beside your community's name or the school's logo. Then next, beside the search bar, you should see this gear or settings icon. So just click on it. Then next is click on the settings button beside the community that you would like to leave. So the process is basically the same with leaving a free community. From here, you should see the leave group option or link. All you have to do is click on it and confirm leaving of the group by clicking on the button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!